Good day everyone, another day, additional learning. For this video, I will discuss briefly how to compute recipe cost. Recipe costing is a process or activity of determining the amount of resources in the form of money needed to produce for a specific amount of serving portion. Let us first discuss the advantages of recipe costing. It ensures profitability. It also controls food cost. It standardizes pricing and reduces waste. Another advantages of recipe costing is it improves menu planning, ensures consistency and quality, and facilitates inventory management. For us to compute for the recipe cost, we will be needing standardized recipe, price list, and recipe cost worksheet. I have here the example of a standardized recipe. It has recipe file number, recipe name, product classification, date revised, recipe yield, portion size, cooking time, and cooking temperature. And the 3 columns for ingredients, quantity, and the method. This is the format for the standardized recipe. Now, let us proceed for the steps to recipe costing. Number 1, transfer the standardized recipe data. And then number 2, compute the unit price of ingredients. This is the recipe cost worksheet. I already imported the data from the standardized recipe. I also put the purchase price. Purchase price should be based on the current price of the products. Now, let us compute for the cost per unit. To compute for the cost per unit, you have to divide the purchase price from the unit cost. Okay, so example for the ham, the quantity is 250 and the purchase price is 600 per kilogram. Okay, so 600 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.6. For the cheese slice, 80 divided by 250 is equal to 0.32. For the egg, 8 divided by 50 is equal to 16. For the mayonnaise, 180 is divided by 200 grams is equal to 0.9. For the pepper, 20 divided by 50 is equal to 0.4. That's how you compute for the cost per unit. The cost per unit for the ham is 0.6 per gram. For the cheese slice is 0.32 per gram. For the egg is 0.16 per gram. For the mayonnaise, 0.9 per gram. And for the pepper, 0.4 per gram. Next is we will determine for the extension cost. To compute for the extension cost, we have to multiply the quantity to the cost per unit. Example, for the ham, 250 gram times 0.6 is equal to 150 pesos. For the cheese slice, 300 grams times 0.32 is equal to 96 pesos. For the egg, 100 gram times 0.16 is equal to 16 pesos. For the mayonnaise, 200 gram times 0.9 is equal to 180 pesos. For the pepper, 2 gram times 0.4 is equal to 0.8. That's how we compute for the extension cost. Now, we have computed for the extension cost. For the ham, 150. For the cheese slice, 96. For the egg, 16. For the mayonnaise, 180. And for the pepper is 0.8. To get the recipe cost, we will sum up the extension cost, which is 150, 96, 16, 180, and 0.8 is equal to 442.8. That is the recipe cost. I hope that you learned from this video. Good luck in costing your recipes. Thank you.